Hi folks, I'm Bill Berkey, president of Zebra Skimmers. For 30 years, yes, 30 years, Zebra Skimmers has been and is the name CNC shops associated with oil skimming excellence. Our oil skimmers have tackled CNC machine sumps with unmatched efficiency and reliability. Zebra began in a garage in 1994, driven by a vision of helping customers extend the life of their coolant with cost-saving products. We pioneered oil skimming technology, continuously pushing the boundaries of performance and sustainability. Today, as we celebrate our 30 years of success, we're making a bold statement about the quality and durability of our skimmers. We're proud to announce the Zebra Skimmer Lifetime Warranty. This is our commitment to your buy once peace of mind, a testament to the unwavering confidence we have in our products. The Zebra Skimmer Lifetime Warranty covers all manufacturing defects and workmanship issues for the life of your skimmer. Rest assured knowing your skimmer investment is protected. With Zebra Skimmers, you can focus on what matters most, protecting your assets and keeping your operation running smoothly. The Zebra Skimmer Lifetime Warranty is more than just a piece of paper. It's a partnership, our commitment to your success. We're here to support you every step of the way, from initial deployment to ongoing maintenance. Our team of experts is always available to answer your questions, provide training, and ensure your skimmer is operating at peak performance. For 30 years, we've helped countless shops overcome tramp oil issues and protect their most valuable assets. As we look ahead, we remain dedicated to our mission, providing the most reliable and efficient oil skimming solutions on the planet. Choose Zebra Skimmers, the brand with 30 years of proven excellence and a lifetime of confidence. Visit our website or contact us today to learn more about the Zebra Skimmer Lifetime Warranty and experience the difference yourself.